Hello YouTube, thank you for watching the channel. This video is about flying in foggy conditions over Lake Anna to capture a dramatic sunrise in this fog. And along the way, almost losing the Mavic 2 Pro because the foggy conditions interfered with the transmissions. Enjoy the video. As you guys can see from behind me, it is very foggy, but the sun is coming up, so we should have this really cool effect. So I just want to give you guys a feel of what it looks like. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you like the contest, consider supporting the channel by subscribing. Thank you so much. You guys enjoy the video. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys some context as well what's going on. I finished a hyperlapse with the Mavic 2 Pro and at 19% battery, and I boarded the automatic return home and sat out there for another 5% while the Mavic 2 Pro processed the hyperlapse, and then I started moving the drone back, and that's the footage that you saw previously to the boat time lapse. And at this point in time, has reached the critical point of 10% battery where the drone will automatically land where it's at. The good thing is that I can push it back up. As you can see here, I'm pushing it up, but I can't push it forward or sideways. I could yaw it, but it's strange. I can't get it to move forward or backwards like I usually normally do. So I'm starting to freak out, thinking this is it for this poor guy if he goes in the water, and I'm just thinking about putting it in sports mode and flying as fast as I can over land to find a safe place just to land it, or maybe to ditch it. But I wasn't giving up. See it coming down again, starting to come down again. And I keep pushing it up, but I can't push it forward or backwards. So in the future, if you guys run into this situation, push it as high as you can, and hopefully that signal will punch through the foggy or rainy conditions to give you the control back that you need. Eventually I get the control back and I'm able to fly this thing. But the scene is so beautiful that I'm not able to enjoy it, and I'm just kind of very anxious to get this thing moving, that I really am not looking how beautiful this fog is looking over the trees with the sun hitting it. And as you can see, it's continuing to drop altitude, and I'm continuing to push it back up. And I'm down to 3% battery right about here, somewhere around 3-4% batteries. But I remember seeing, I'm like, there's no way I could lose this thing. I just need to do everything I can to get this thing back. So I decided to push it really high above the fog. And I finally was able to move it, and then I'm just hauling butt over land as fast as I could, and then cruise the contour of the cove back to the location where I was at. But the fog is beautiful, but I did not get to enjoy it. And it was so stressful that I decided just to pack everything up and go back into the house. And really, I could have got some amazing more footage, but I was so freaked out that I did not want to fly again, and I just called it a day. Thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to share that experience with you guys, so in case it happens to you, you know what to do. Thanks again. Bye-bye.